Hi all. So this is the first example from chapter 12.1, and here we want to integrate this double integral. Our integrand is x squared y, and my inner integral goes from 1 to 2 and the outer integral goes from 0 to 3. And so this is the order of integration. First we want to integrate with respect to the y variable and then with respect to the x variable. And so before we start to solve this problem, let's try to see the domain. Now our y variable goes from 1 to 2, therefore the lower limit of y is 1 and the upper limit of y is 2, and then our x goes from 0 to 3. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is 3. Now let us draw this domain on the xy plane. Okay, x goes from 0 to 3, so this is 0, this is 3, and y goes from 1 to 2, so this is y equals 1, this is y equals 2. So our domain is this rectangle R. This is your domain. Okay. Now when we solve these double integrals, we evaluate these integrals from inside to out, and so what it means, first we need to solve this inner integral and then we need to solve the outer integral. Okay, so let us do that. Okay. Okay, now let us think about this inner integral. So my variable of integration is y, therefore we have to treat x as if it is a constant. Now whenever we have a constant, we can pull out a constant from the integral sign. So now this integral becomes, so if I pull out x squared from this inner integral, you will get x squared times the integral from 1 to 2 of y dy dx. So this is my inner integral, and integral of y with respect to the y variable is y squared over 2. Okay, now after the integration we have to evaluate this value at these two limits. My lower limit of y is 1, upper limit of y is 2. Still we have this integral that goes from 0 to 3 of x squared dx. Okay, now let us apply the upper limit and the lower limit. If you apply the upper limit, you will get 2 squared over 2 minus the lower limit, which is 1 squared over 2 dx. Okay. Now if you simplify this, you will get 2 squared is 4, 4 over 2 is 2, 2 minus 1/2 is 3/2. So now basically have this integral times 3/2 dx. Okay, now 3/2 is a constant and we can pull out a constant from this integral. You will get integral from 0 to 3 of x squared dx. Okay. Now this is a very simple integral. Integral of x squared with respect to the x variable is x cubed over 3. And your lower limit of x is 0, upper limit of x is 3. Okay. Now apply the upper limit, which is 3. So you have 3/2 times 3 to the power 3 over 3 minus 0 to the power 3 over 3, and if you simplify this, you should get 27/3. Sorry, 27/2. Okay, so that's it. Again, what we did was we treat this double integral as two iterative integrals. So first we solve this inner integral and then we solve the outer integral. And so this is the way we solve a definite integral in a rectangular domain.